What's up, guys? We are here, Rolling with Star, and today I'm going to show you what I got. I got from Wish.com, and I went to the store, which is Target, and we're going to see how to change the band and see which one you like. So comment below, like, and tell me what you think. So I got this from Wish.com, and I also got this one from Target. So this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna change the band. This is Series 4, not the 5. I didn't know that was gonna come out, but that's fine, because, I don't think there's any difference between the 4 and 5. I tried to look it up, but they won't let me. They just show the difference between the Series 3 and the 5. So I don't know, tell me the difference, comment below, let me know so I can know, so we can know, and then, yeah. So anyways, we're going to have to shut it off. Hold the button, we hold the button here, and then you slide it to turn it off. Is it off? Yeah, it's off. So, this is what we're going to do. There's these buttons right here. These buttons, and they slide off, so you gotta be careful. You just slide off, voila, just like that. Here, a closer view. So you press and you slide. And so these are the two old bands. You can put it back in this, Target thing, so you won't lose any of this stuff. Or if you have a compartment or something. So there's these bands. It looks worn out because I just used it already last night and do a lot of work. So that's how it looks. Just slide it. Slide it on. Make sure it's the right. Make sure it's the right side. See how that looks? Strap it in. Hook it in. Just like that. Whoa! Looks nice. Holds like a belt buckle. See, it's worn out because I worn it out. This one I got to Wish. It's really nice. Look at this. Wow. Coloring going on. See? So, I'm gonna kill it out. Wow, that was tough. So, let's see how this opens up. It looks like it just hooks. Okay, yeah, like I said, it hooks. So, we might have to take the link off. But look, it looks nice. Look at that. Imagine. I can do it right now. Oops, I accidentally turned it on. Well, this is a fail. It broke, so I guess this is crap already. But it looks pretty nice. So, I suggest getting Walmart Target brand for this stuff. Because honestly, I don't know what happened. And I don't want to jam it in and mess this up. For the like take care of my stuff. As you guys like to take care of your stuff. So we're gonna put it back. No wonder I had this on.
It's 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock already.
It's 4 o'clock.
See? So, like I said, the Wish product for this that I ordered came in a fail. I don't know. The spring just came out. I literally just opened it. Like, I don't know what happened. But yeah, the spring came out. And I want to have time to fix it. Anyways, tell me what you think about this video. Comment below. Let me know. Hit that like button. Tell me if you like this background picture. I like this background picture. I hope you do too. Comment below. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. So, let me know. Peace out. Bye.
What the fuck's that?
I don't think this shit works. What are you doing?
Nothing.
It's 3:58. Good afternoon.
Fuck that. I broke it already. Thanks.
Yes.
Right? I just did a video of that. How,
Putting it up.
yeah, putting it up. And the ring light and everything else. So yeah. Cute.
Yes, you can erase all this. I have the thing. I'll bring it in here. That way you can write your ideas.
Yeah.
I want to write mine in there.
Okay.